Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 KTM 350 XCF. This is the off-road bike. It comes with a bigger tank and a side stand and taller gearing than the XSF. 350cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. This thing also has upgraded suspension from 707 competition, front and rear. Brand new rear tire, just checked out in our service department. Beautiful exhaust system. Make your off-road dreams come true with this Rockstar Graphics KTM 350 XCF. Come on by, check it out, $54.99. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.